Hello guys, I have this little dragon here. I printed with a .04 but with high definition. That's all I have for filament nozzles, and if you wonder, the filament is right here. This is the actual stuff that I printed it with. And if you want to double check, and there. Like and subscribe to this video. It will help me out with the algorithm, and also likes do help out, and also subscribing because you'll see the other content. This is primarily a 3D print and technology channel. My other channel is a gaming channel, and with some other stuff I'm throwing in, like where I live and that. Otherwise, this guy, I'm probably gonna give it to one of my neighbors or someone, or something will happen to him. It's not like I don't like him. It's just the fact that I don't have so much space on hand. I can only keep so much stuff in my place. If I keep everything I print, I'll have no room. And if you wonder, I am actually addicted to 3D printing. At least it's the best thing to do. It's not as expensive, especially in the United States and Minnesota. Literally, there's stuff was more expensive and people spend on, and less healthy. And if you wonder, does it come with one of these? No, this came from some AB Cubic stuff I got. And if you wonder, no, this thing is not 100% infill. He's only 5% lightning. And no, I did not print him with a brim. I use hairspray. And I mean the cheapest stuff you can find at Walmart. If I can get cheaper at the Dollar Tree, I would. But no, Walmart actually has the cheapest stuff I can find. I literally can't find cheaper. And no, I'm not buying from AliExpress on that part. I don't trust their stuff. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and comment, and ring that bell notification whenever I upload videos, which is pretty often because how often I do if I have the time necessary. Otherwise, see you next time, and enjoy the video, and click on them links in the description for all your stuff you need to find, and even down to this filament and this guy. Bye.